Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Guys, if you want to get the breaking news today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Breaking News Today. Press bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Guys, according to the post, Smith suffered 2 broken feet and severe road rash. She is due to meet with a skin graft surgeon, and yes, it was a very sad moment that happened today, and I am giving you the fast updates about her injury. And to get the further details about Angie Smith crash, just subscribe my channel.